Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to give you a very important information. You all are using Android phone, but almost 70-80% people don't know how to manage the Android home screen icons, how to arrange them. So today I am going to give this information, so watch full video till the end. So let's start now. So guys, uh, as you're watching on the screen, there are so many icons, and now I am going to arrange them. So you're watching this is the default screen. Now I'm going to the first page and there are some icons on my screen, but these all icons are not well arranged, so I'm going to arrange them well. So in the second page you also watch, there are also some icons but not a fully good it is not a good uh, there is not a good appearance on the page, so I have to make them well arranged. So on this screen there, so let's start. So um what I'm going to do, I'm moving this icon I have clicked, I'm going to move it on the second page. I'm on the first page, and what I am going to do, I have just clicked it, long pressed it, and now I am dragging it, and you're watching there below on the screens there are some pages, and I am on the first page. So the first this first one is highlighting. You are watching, I am showing you, just one is highlighting because I am on the first page. So now I want to move it, I want to move this icon on the second page, so I am going to drag and move it to the second page. Okay, so now you can see this is not anymore here, and I am going to do with the second icon also. So I am moving it here on the second page I have moved. So you're watching that two icons are appearing here on the second page and not more on the first page. So now tell now how the screen is looking. I can make it I can give it a good design, like by you can do this if you want. Like if you want to make the screen like showing like this, then you can do this. So to complete that, then I am taking two icons from here. Okay, so let's see, this is going to look very pretty. So now this is the page, my home screen is looking like this. So in this way I can manage my second page, I can give it some design, but I'm not going to give, but I think you have got idea how to customize your home page. So here also, so there is one extra, I am moving it in the third page. So this is complete now, and on the fourth page there are two extra, so I am moving them on the second page. Okay, so now watch, this page is looking pretty awesome, and I have not given design to the second and third but just completed them because like you are watching, this one is blank, so I am going to move the move this one on the blank page, and you are watching the black is highlighting on the page, so just move it and it's complete. Okay, So you can see how the design is looking. You can see in the thumbnails. So as I have given this design to the first page, you can give different designs to different page and make your phone look different, unique. So it's very pretty. I hope I hope you liked the video and liked the information I have given you, and you would try it, and you will share it with your friends and relatives. So okay guys, if you think this information is really helpful and you want more information from my channel, then please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Take care.